which expression is equivalent to 42a over k positive 42ak where k is greater than 0. Okay, now let's simplify the given expression that is 42a over k positive 42ak. Now to simplify this expression, let me assume denominator 1 for this one. Okay, now we have addition of two fractions. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between two fractions, I need to get the same denominator for both the fractions. Here in the first fraction, the denominator is k. Now we have to get the same denominator over here. Already we have denominator 1. So let's multiply both numerator and denominator by k. Then we have 42a over k positive. When I multiply 42ak and k, I am getting 42a k square divided by 1 times k is k. Now we have the same denominator for both the fractions. Now we can take k as a common denominator. Then we have to add the two numerators. We get 42a positive 42a k square. Okay, now let's factor the expression we have over here in numerator. For that, we have to find the greatest common divisor of this one and this one. So the greatest common divisor is 42a. So when I factor 42a out from the expression over here, now I'll be getting some stuff inside the parenthesis. Now to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factor out, that is 42a. When I divide this 42a by 42a, I'm getting 1. When I divide this one by 42a, I'm getting k square over k. And here 42a times, we can switch this 1 and k square, then we get k square positive 1 over k. Here I got the expression that is equivalent to the given expression, and I find this expression in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.